What to expect during a knock and talk police encounter. The police, if they want, can go up to any door in the United States and knock on the door, trying to talk to the person that lives there. Now, for an encounter like that, the police do not need a warrant, and you don't have to answer the door. But if you do answer the door, here are some things to expect. Typically, the police will be coming around either trying to gather information about a crime that may have happened in the area, or they might be investigating you. But at that time, they don't have enough information to get a warrant to come into your house. So they're going to try to be real nice and talk to you to try to get you to get information, or potentially even let them into the house. You are under no obligation to let the police into your house, despite how friendly they're being, unless they have a warrant. Now, the police may come with more than one officer, and that can be intimidating. But the best thing to do if the police come to your house and they don't have a warrant, and you do want to talk to them, is just be calm and respectful. Ask them why they're there, politely ask them if they have a warrant, and if they keep pressing you, you can politely ask them if you're being detained for an investigation. At that point, if they're saying no, you can kindly tell them that you're finished talking with them and go back inside your house. Now, they might try to pressure you into letting them inside the house. Again, unless they have that warrant, you have no obligation to let the police inside your house. Now, in some circumstances, you may not have anything to hide. And at that point, you could, if you want, allow the police to come inside your home. And that's what's called a consent search. Once you let them inside of your home, though, it's going to be very difficult to get them out after you give them that consent. Again, unless they have a warrant, you are under no obligation to cooperate with them, especially letting them inside your house. And again, do not get scared by the police tactics that might start off calm, but if they notice that you're starting to refuse them, they might start getting more aggressive. They might start making threats, saying that they're going to go get a warrant. But until they have that warrant, you have the absolute right to not talk to them and deny them entry into your house. One of the mottos here at Marc Lopez Law Firm is plead the fifth, and we always recommend that in any police situation. Be kind, be courteous, but you do not need to give the police any leeway into entering your house when they don't have a warrant to do so. If you have any questions about police interactions and what to do, or if you're facing a criminal charge yourself, or believe you're under investigation, please give us at the Marc Lopez Law Firm phone call 317-632-3642, and always remember, plead the fifth.